How to use Recorder. First, start RecorderBot and select language to set language. Next, you can forward messages from other contacts, channels, groups, and more to RecorderBot. You can forward all types of messages, whether they're text, media, or those with buttons. Then RecorderBot will notify you of how many messages have been recorded. If you have more messages to record, you can keep forwarding them to the bot. Once you've finished forwarding all messages, select Finish. RecorderBot will combine the forwarded messages and create a new chat history record. When you need to share these messages, you can either copy the link of this record and send it to others, or forward the record message directly to them. They just need to click the link or the View Details button to enter the mini app, where they can check the full details of the record. In the detail page, for messages containing files, click the small eye icon on the right side of the message, and Recorder will send the original message to you. Click the circular button at the bottom right to see the following options. Home. Click to enter the home page. You can also access the home page via the Home button next to the input box in the bot. All your recorded chat histories are available on the home page. Now click the circular button at the bottom right here, then click Edit to select multiple chat histories for bulk deletion. Click Done once the deletion is complete. Click any chat history directly to view its detailed content. Forward. Click to forward this chat history to other people directly. Link. Click to automatically copy the link of this chat history for you to share with others. Report. Click to contact the OnlyTG customer support team. Recorder will anonymize personnel users. If you find that someone has infringed on your personal privacy in the messages forwarded via Recorder, please file a complaint with us. We will verify and take down the relevant pages within 24 hours of receiving a valid complaint.